Hello everyone, I wanted to do a real quick video on adjusting this brake light switch on a 2007 Ford Edge. I think it's 2007 on up to 2015, I'm not sure. But today my son replaced the booster. The booster was bad. When my daughter was hitting on the brakes, it would sound like a trumpet down here. So he changed that today and we got it all back together. But then the brake lights remain on. If you look in the forums, a lot of people, they have this issue. If you installed everything right, you just need to adjust this brake light switch. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. You won't see that probably on any other YouTube videos because they usually probably put in new switches, and then new switches will adjust by itself. So let me show you. Let's see, I'm trying to do this in the dark with just grab it and then turn it clockwise, just like you're trying to tighten a bolt. Then it'll snap out of there. Okay, now if you notice, see, it goes in and out. I'm not going to measure it or anything like that. I couldn't see a ruler anyway if I tried. So what you do to get this thing to make its automatic adjustment, so whenever you change that booster, you're going to need to do this most likely, unless you get really lucky and everything lines up perfectly. All you need to do is take your thumb here. See how it moves really easy? That's because it's already ratcheted into the position it needs to be in. Okay, so just take your thumb, push in all the way with your fingernail, and then let it pop out. And now it does not spring. Now it's at the full extend position. Okay, and I'm probably not going to be able to do this so you can see it. Because heck, I can't even see underneath. Yeah. What you want to do is push your brake pedal in. Don't leave it up there where this thing's going in. And then you're going to put this back in and just turn it counterclockwise. It locks in. Leave this part extended with your brake pedal pushed in. Then let the brake pedal release to its place. That will push that in and it'll all adjust by itself. And then you should be squared away with the brake lights no longer staying on. All right, let's see if I can do it with the on my head one-handed. All right, we'll try it. I'll use my phone to push the thing in there. Probably don't have any light over here either. Let's see. Sorry, I wanted to make it a quick video. Okay, so I'm pushing in the brake pedal with my phone. Now I need to rotate this thing. Now, if you see, that thing's still good and firm. So now I'm going to push the brake pedal in, let it release, and it's adjusted. It's that easy. Let's go double check real quick. If it wasn't adjusted, the brake lights would be on. Brake lights are off. Going back under. And I'm gonna just push the brake pedal a little bit and maybe you'll be able to see the red light go in the back. There you go, see there? So now it works. Now I let go of the pedal. That brake sensor is adjusted. You'll have to do that on a new one if it pushes past that position or if you put it in wrong. So I hope this helps you. It definitely helped me. I didn't want to have to change that whole I didn't want to have to do that whole booster all over again. Put Jesus first. Y'all have a blessed day, and give me a like and a subscribe. Sometimes I just throw these things out here. All right, thanks much. Take care.